we're recording. That's nice. Okay, here I am. I'm in the Lancaster, and it's just coming up for 11 o'clock on a Tuesday, Monday rather. The 10th of December. My job today, or one of them, is to try. I'm continuing with the flap circuits. So, going from the front end of the aircraft there, I'm trying to chase it through here to the main distribution board, fuse panel, MEP, whatever they want to call it. So what I'm looking for is fuse number 8. Now, as you can see, there's a list of fuses on the front, 1 to whatever, but it bears no resemblance as to what's on here. You'd have thought fuse number 1 possibly up there, or fuse number 1 possibly down there, but no. Fuse number 1, I think, is that one, because this one is number 8, because it's fuse number 8 I'm looking for. Okay, it buzzes through to there, so that is fuse number 8. Yeah, I can't find a diagram for this, so I'm actually working kind of blind. But hey ho, it's good fun. So we're getting somewhere. The old girl is we're getting the back together. It's going to take some time, but you know, we're second year into the 10-year program. I'll give you a shot just out my little window here, because I'm sat in the radio operator's seat, and at the starboard, down the starboard side, there's the back end. Going to position. You can see the light shining through at the end there. So yeah, so I'm quite cosy in here because it's quite cool in the hangar today. So now I've found that, I know where that goes, because it goes up to the buzz bar, which goes up to this plug here. Comes in on that line there. That's the main that's the main 24 volts in. That's positive. That's negative. Goes to the buzz bar down here through that fuse, then off up the front. Follows all this cabling down to behind the pilot's panel there. So we've got that far, which is something, I suppose. So my next bit now is to wing it down to, it comes in the socket just down there, and I've got to get down there and do that one next. So yeah, so this has been a positive. So 2 minutes 35 in, and yeah, so there we go. Fuse 8. I'd have thought that would have been fuse 8, but no, it's that one. Not that one, not that one, but that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Easy peasy, eh? But anyway, right, I'm off now to do another job. Right, so I hope you enjoy watching this, and I'll catch you all a bit later. Bye for now.